Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Construct Rogue Lineage. To begin, you'll first need to understand the game's unique blend of action and strategy. Your journey starts by selecting a server and creating your character. Focus on grasping the fundamental controls and interface elements. There are many in-game tutorials and community guides available to help new players navigate the initial challenges and set a strong foundation for success. Once you're in, character creation is crucial. Select a class that aligns with your preferred combat style, whether it's a swift rogue or a sturdy warrior. Carefully consider your initial traits, as these provide significant bonuses. Distribute your first few skill points into core abilities that boost your damage or defense. Don't forget to equip any starting gear. Even basic items offer valuable protection and stat increases for your early adventures. As you progress, focus on upgrading your most impactful abilities and equipment. Resource management is key. Consistently gather materials from defeated enemies and environmental nodes. You'll find various in-game currencies, like gold and arcane dust, which are vital for crafting and purchasing upgrades. Explore diverse biomes, each offering unique challenges and opportunities to discover rare components. Strategic exploration will significantly enhance your character's power and versatility. For advanced play, mastering combat techniques against different enemy types is essential. Learn their attack patterns and weaknesses to maximize your efficiency. Consider forming alliances with other players. Cooperation can lead to tackling tougher challenges and sharing valuable loot. Don't be afraid to experiment with diverse character builds and skill combinations. Finding a playstyle that truly resonates with you will make your Construct Rogue Lineage experience much more rewarding and enjoyable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.